What's up, everybody? It's Carolina Mike, also known as Michael, here with an official unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus.
I pay all my bills on time. 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 I pay all my bills on time.
So we're going to start with it right from the box so you get the full experience. This, I know what color it is, but you don't know what color it is unless it says it on here. I don't think so. So I want you in the comments, I want you to guess to see what color it is. I'll give you a hint. I pre-ordered on March 6th, one day before the offer, so I can get the buds from T-Mobile, and I got an estimated shipping date of March 27, and it was back ordered. So let's see what color we got here. Oh, now I think you're gonna know for sure what color it is, because look at that. Oh, that is dope. We got the, no, oh snap. So like the actual, you can see it shimmering. So yep, you guessed it, it's the Prism Blue. And they got it here early. It was supposed to ship on the 27th, but they got it here today on the 21st. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you, T-Mobile and John Legary. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. You have exceeded my expectations by totally blowing away that estimated shipping. So you can see it's T-Mobile right there. Got the seals on. Shall we? All right, here we go. I'm gonna do this without damaging the box. All right. I think that should do it. There we go. Now we're breaking the seal. There we go. All right, let's see what's up. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let that. There you go. Okay, so here's the phone. We got those two cameras. Well, there you go. The two cameras. It's got the screen protector on it. And screen protector looks to be in very decent shape. You got the cutouts for the camera. And let's take a look at what's inside the top here. So we got the instructions, and there is a tab, I believe. Yeah, you can kind of peel. It's stuck in there pretty good. Interesting. So I think this is you got your eject pin and your manual. Okay, I'll just put that back on top of there like that. All right, so here we go. Let's just get her out of there. Let's see what we got in. Oh, look at that. It's got some plastic there, which we will remove. And see if you can see. Oh, it's really reflective. All right, so there's the phone. And we've got some things I probably shouldn't be showing you. We'll get those out of the way. Apparently there's a new SIM card, which is weird because I already have a SIM card. They sent me a SIM card. Anybody else get a SIM card? Why don't you post in the comments if you did. We got the charger. Now, I'm looking for the quick charge symbol. For example, here's my one for my Galaxy S7, and it does say adaptive fast charging. Let's see. Travel adapter. Oh, it's on there. It's just, it's etched. So it does say adaptive fast charging. That's interesting. You can barely see it. Okay. And we have USB, I believe, A to USB-C adapter. And we have, I imagine, the charging cable here. Let's get that out. Oh, okay, interesting. These little pieces. Let's check out the charger here. All right. So, seems a little lightweight, but there you go. All right. And we've got the AKG earbuds. I'm gonna leave those in. They come with extra little soft tip dealios. Now, one thing I'm looking for is there's this other adapter that you can use to like hook up a thumb drive to your phone. I guess they did. I have that with my Galaxy S7. And I'm wondering if it's underneath here or something, or maybe they just didn't give you that. But it came with the Galaxy S7 back in the day. But nope, nothing else there. We'll get rid of the box so we can see all the other stuff. Alright, so I got the phone. Boom. We got the charger, or the wall piece. You know what I'm talking about. We got the adapter so you can use your old let's see, USB-C. Actually, no, this is like a big USB down to USB-C. And I guess you could plug this other piece into your phone, to your old, to my Galaxy S7 for the transfer. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we have that adapter, we have the charging cable, and we've got your AKGs. Now, I'll be doing another video when I get the buds. So let's see if we can see the back of this a little bit better. Notice there is a square cut out in the protective coating. Not sure why that is. So here we go, folks. Nice. Okay, I'm just noticing there's some gunk here, but I guess that's glue. I was thinking this thing better not be scratched. Alright, so, oh, you can see where it says Galaxy S10 on the bottom, S10 Plus rather. Hope I said S10 Plus in the intro. That's going to be really bad if I didn't. There's like 8,000 cameras on the back there. Okay. And I'm going to leave this little thing on here. Alright. Okay. So, just how it feels perfect. Some people are saying it feels light. I don't think it feels light at all. I think it has a very good specific weight. Okay? Very good specific weight for the size of the phone that it is And for as thin and sleek as it is, I think that's it. That's exactly how it should feel. Great job, Samsung, on the engineering on that piece. You know, everyone has their own opinion, but I think it feels great. Okay. So there's the unboxing. This is just an unboxing right now. I guess I could power it on just to see what it says. But you know what? I'm going to pause for a minute. All right, so there we go. Okay, so before I fire this thing up for the first time, maybe I should just take a peek at the instructions? Just maybe, like, you know. Let's just see what the instructions say. Got a little band around here. See if I can get it off. Oh, it's got a little... Oh, there you go. You can slide things out. Very nice. So I can repackage this if I go to sell the phone. Got your limited warranty. Okay. You got your, this device includes pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it, you're screwed. Oh, no. Anyway, just saying, make sure that you get one that that can work with the fingerprint scanner. So, good luck on that one. I'm sure there's, I know I saw a video about one. I'll leave it in the comments, or I'll leave it in the description. So, there you go. There's your nice colorful guide from T-Mobile, T-Mobile branded. Shout out to T-Mobes. What's up? Samsung, transfer what's important. So they're promoting their smart switch, which I plan on using. Okay, here we are. We're fully charged back to up to 100%. Notice something here. Looks like the steel around the edge is wrapped in another a little layer of plastic. So I mean, I guess if you wanted to leave it on, you could. It's on there pretty good, but obviously it's meant to protect the steel. At least I hope so. Otherwise, I just totally screwed this up. But it goes all the way around. Oh, it's really kind of hard to get off, and kind of super annoying. Is that it? That was weird. Okay, here's the rest of it. It's really kind of interesting. I mean, you can see it coming off there. I don't know if anyone has noticed this or not. Maybe check your phone, see if yours is still intact. I mean, I'm probably supposed to leave it on to protect the phone, but I mean, I would think they would not make it peel off this easily, but oh crap. I'm going to be kicking myself for peeling this off, but I already started, so there we go. I mean, maybe that's the protective case they were talking about. That would have protected the plastic, but you gotta figure at it. If it's inside a case, I guess that'd be one thing. Otherwise, you're bound to get little nicks in it. But it's a pretty nice little skin. But oh well, it is what it is. I done went and did it now. So there's to stop peeling stuff before I take off another protective thing that I want to keep. I'm feeling like that's all of it. So that was pretty interesting. Anyone else discover that? Post in the comments if you did. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching the unboxing video. Take a look at this link over here. It's going to show you what the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case looks like right out of the box. Please like, please subscribe. We appreciate the support. Have a good one, y'all.